Hi, I'm Karen for Expert Village. Now I'll show you how to sew on our patch to repair our dress pants. We've prepared the patch by the ironing board. This is the iron-on interfacing that will hold the sides to our patch down. You can either place it and pin it, fasten it with a pin, or I like to use a little bit of fabric glue. It helps to hold it on in place while you're sewing. So you just put a little bit of fabric glue. Don't bother putting the glue where the hole is, because that's not going to help. And just place it down and let it dry. You can wash off any excess fabric glue with a little damp rag. Now we're going to place our pants on the machine. You want to make sure you have a thread that matches the pants. My pants are black, so I put in a black thread. And you need to slip the pants onto the arm of the sewing machine and just slide the leg right down onto the arm of the sewing machine like that. And you're going to be sewing as close to the edge of your homemade patch as possible. We're using a straight stitch and a normal stitch length of about 2.5. And just first back up a little to knot it, and then sew as close to the edge as possible. And when you come to the corner, turn. Now this patch is not going to be invisible, but it'll be a lot less conspicuous than trying to put on a patch that didn't come from the actual fabric of the pants. And you'll get a little bit more use out of these pants. And the patch is a lot nicer looking than a hole. Go right to the edge. The last stitch I like to roll down with my hand and just stop and turn at each corner. And I'm going as close to the edge as possible. And we'll turn the corner and just do a few stitches forward and back to knot it. And here's a dress pants repaired with a piece of fabric from the garment itself.